Alrighty, Thomas's first bite of sweet potato.
What do you think about that, little buddy? No. No, don't get out your clothes.
Yeah, I don't like that stuff either, buddy.
Oh, it's yummy, Thomas. It's yummy. Yes, it's yummy. Yes, it is.
Try for another bite?
Yeah, I think I actually might want to add a little bit more water to it.
Bite number 2.
Pause that for a minute, Rick.
Alrighty, good job, buddy. Alright, we're back for bite. More bites.
Well, open up, buddy.
Is that good, buddy?
You like it? Mommy loves sweet potatoes. Yeah. You seem to be into it today. Open up. There you go.
What do you think? Is it good?
Open up.
Good job, buddy.